How to download Truth Social on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can download Truth Social on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to download the Truth Social app on Android, it is actually very simple to do so. First of all, make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, be it whatever. After you do that, all you have to do is open up your Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search box, just type in Truth Social. After you do that, make sure to actually click the install button if you haven't done so. Now in my case, I have already installed it, so I can also go and open it up, but if you haven't, make sure that you install the Truth Social app and then you will be able to download them accordingly. This way you can download Truth Social on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.